What's up, guys? Let's get ready. What's up, guys? What is up? What is up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Okay, it is Chen Yu here again. All right, and I will be hosting today's live stream session. And today we will be talking about Euro USD and gold, and potentially GBP, JPY as well. So let's just start talking about Euro USD, guys. Okay, and if we look at the daily time frame for Euro USD, we can actually see a lot of resistance on from the upside. Okay, and we can currently see price rejecting the upside of current levels. All right, and if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, price actually cleared this upside liquidity over here, as you can see. Okay, and there is a tiny wick that shows the liquidity grab, followed by a large movement that literally just back down. So looking at the daily time frame, we can see that price can potentially hit down lower. And I believe that the daily low or the low over here can potentially be cleared because there is a lot of downside liquidity on Euro USD currently. Okay, and I mean this, yes. So this can potentially be cleared, guys. This can potentially be cleared. Okay, and if we were to go to let's talk about the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, currently price is still bullish, guys. Let me just let you know it is still bullish because there's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows being formed currently on Euro USD. Okay, and that's the however, I do believe that price could potentially come down, okay, to clear these areas below before heading back up. And that's what I would like to see, guys. So that would be the forecast on Euro USD. And I believe that currently price is still ranging and it could potentially come down much lower. Okay. So if we go down to if we go down to the hourly time frame, okay, let's look at the hourly again. I believe that as we can see, there is a lot of market imbalance on to the left. So this entire thing is market balance, and I believe the price can potentially tap into those area before starting to properly hit upwards. Let's talk about gold now. Okay, shall we? Let's talk about gold. And if you look at the chart on gold over here, okay, on the daily time frame, we see that price is very, very bullish. However, I believe price can actually start to hit down for a retracement before heading back up. So this is a potential area I'll be looking out for, 1798, for price to potentially tap into. And if we look, looking at the daily time frame, price is definitely very, very bullish. Okay, and if we talk about the 4-hour time frame right now, I actually did a chart analysis on this, and it's right here. Let me show you guys. So as we can see, price actually went very bullish, and I believe that price could potentially come back down to any of the zones towards the left before coming back up. So I did this potential forecast on gold about 2 days ago or 3 days ago. I can't remember, but I believe that price have potential heading down before heading back up, and that's the reason why this setup is still valid actually. So if you guys would like to go and take a look at this, please do, and definitely help to give me a boost and follow my account, okay, or follow my partner's account at the links in the description below. Okay, so just 1 second, let me paste the link to the description below and send it to you guys. 1 second, guys. Okay, so all right, let's go back to the charts, guys. Okay, let's go back to the charts right now. So if we are looking at the current chart, let's go back to the chart of gold. if we go back to the chart on gold, guys, okay, we are looking at price hovering at about 1815 region. Okay, 1815 region, and that is on the 4 hours time frame, guys. That is on the 4 hours time frame. And if you look, price can potentially go down and hit down lower to clear certain levels. Okay, certain levels, I mean this potential level here. That is an area where price can come down to, which is the 1812 regions, or you could potentially come down lower, guys. You can come down lower to clear this entire demand zone and tap into this entire demand zone. Okay, so that's an area we will be looking at on gold. And if we go down to the lower time frame, let's talk about the 30 minutes time frame, guys. 30 minutes time frame, we see a range. Okay, we see price is currently ranging, and let's mark out these lows. We can see equal lows. You can see equal lows over here. Okay, so equal lows, and this really just confirms our forecast that price can potentially come down to retest levels below. So that's very important, and I believe price can hit down on gold. So that would be my forecast for gold. And if I were to go down to the GJ, let's talk about GJ because it has been a very, very volatile pair, as we all know. Okay, so if I'm just looking at the weekly time frame, the entire movement here was caused by fundamental news. Let me just bring up my tool. This entire movement here was caused by fundamental move. Okay, and I believe that price can potentially hit down due to various fundamental reasons. All right, and the various fundamental reasons are because I believe that the yen will start to turn hawkish soon. And if you look at pound against yen, all right, the yen has fallen so much and depreciated so much in value. So, however, I believe that the yen can potentially start to strengthen, and a yen pivot might be near. Okay, a yen pivot might be near. And the reason why I say that is because that the BOJ, the Bank of Japan, have been showing signs of hawkishness, or rather potential hawkishness in the market. Okay, and I believe for that reason, the moment pound yen starts to hike their rates or tighten, okay, tighten is a very important word, then we will start to see the pound yen start to go down further and hit up further and go down further and further. Okay, so I believe that, if you can see for the entirety of the year, it has been largely bullish, and this entire drop over here was largely due to the yen intervention. Okay, however, I believe price can start to finally come down, and it has really just take a huge movement down after the yen announces some yield controls and changes to the yield controls. However, I believe that potentially yen can start strengthening from here onwards, guys. Okay, so that would be it for pound yen. So actually that would be it for the three outlooks today, and I just want to reiterate that it is Christmas coming soon and the markets would be quiet. So take a break, guys. Okay, if you are done for the entire year, you don't want to take any more trades for the entire year, just take a break, come back stronger next year. It's always good for us to actually take a rest and recuperate and regain our mindset again. Okay, for those of you who have been profitable this year, great job on you. Okay, very proud of you guys. And however, for those who are not so profitable, do ask yourself why. Ask yourself questions like, why is this trade is heading to stop loss? Ask yourself these good questions and you will get there eventually. Okay, and really support everybody who have came down and who are still coming down to join us today. And it really means the most to us. Okay, and the most to me and my partner. Okay, unfortunately my partner today will not be joining us because he have something personal going on. Okay, however, it's been a true pleasure for me and him to be able to live stream daily, and really just cater to you guys who like to watch our streams. Okay, so yeah, and also let me just show you some of our works. Okay, so if you can see over here, okay, I post outlooks on very regularly, and actually on maybe a 1 week I will post 3 outlooks. Okay, and this is one of my outlook, and I actually posted a pound yen outlook, which actually really took off. As you can see, price tapped into the imbalance and smashed all the way down. Okay, so that is a potential region that we could potentially look into. Okay, and I hope that you guys actually gain some insights out of these outlooks that I publish or my partner publish. Okay, I'll be showing you his account soon. All right, so do stay tuned. We post a lot of details over here. From BTC USD to Euro USD to gold, to GJ, the one that I just did. Yeah. So do stay tuned for a lot more to come. Okay. And if we go down to, let's talk about my partners, okay, my partner's outlook, okay, let's look at his channel. So you can see that he posts a lot of analysis, guys, a lot of analysis, very good and very succinct, very clear analysis out there as well, okay, and make sure to give him a follow as well, all right? So you can see that his entries, everything is very nice, coming to perfection. Everything looks to be very good, okay? So just keep up to whatever he's doing, and just watch our space, because it have a lot more to come. Okay, there's a lot more that we are going to publish. As you can see, you see he posts stuff like outlooks on Euro USD, potential regions where it could hit. These stuff do not come free in the market out there, and we really encourage you guys to take a look. Okay, guys? Definitely do take a look at the stuff he posts. So if you head out to the market and look at what the market is doing, price is still consolidating, and I believe, as I've mentioned, that price can potentially tap into further levels below. So do replay my outlooks if you would like to see what price is doing, okay? And that would be great and would mean a lot to me and him. So that will be it for today, and I'm glad and I hope that you guys actually gained a fruitful session today. Okay, definitely do follow us, do subscribe, do like our work. It means the most to us, and we will not forget those who actually have been here since day one, although we just started 2 months ago. But yeah, we really appreciate you guys. So stay tuned for more. And tomorrow it's Christmas Eve, 2 days later, but have a Merry Christmas, guys, and it's been a pleasure to have you guys. And I'll see you guys after Christmas. See you guys again, guys. Have a good one, and goodbye.